Yes, dear students, again I have written a question on the board. A parallel plate capacitor of 50 picofarad, 50 picofarad is to be manufactured using dielectric slab of K3 and dielectric strength 10 to the power 7 volt per meter. Capacitor is to be operated at 1000 volt. Find the area of plates. For safety purpose, we use 10% of dielectric strength. I told you what is dielectric strength. Is the maximum electric field which dielectric can tolerate without conduction due to partial ionization. Actually, if we keep on increasing the potential difference across a given slab, then at certain voltage the material of the dielectric can be ionized and partially, means it will produce some ions, electron come out of the atoms or molecules, so that way it start conducting. So that maximum electric field which the dielectric can tolerate without ionizing is called dielectric strength, and we use only 10%. Capacitor is to be used at 1000 volt, means between the plates you have to use 1000 volt potential difference. So dielectric strength used, dielectric strength used, I mean 10% of 10 to the power 7 volt per meter, means 10 to the power 6 volt per meter. Potential difference between the plates slab of thickness 1 meter can tolerate potential difference of 10 to the power 6 volt. So what should be thickness of, here thickness of slab is not given. Let D be the thickness, then 10 to the power 6 into D should be 1000 volt. If we use thickness of 10D, then 10 to the power 6 into D should be 1000 volt. The thickness of slab is minus 3 meter, means 1 millimeter. And therefore C equal to epsilon 0 Ka upon D. So C 50 picofarad, 50 10 to the power minus 12 or 8.85 10 to the power minus 12. It is 3 area to be determined, and D 10 to the power minus 3. So this power cancel. So how much the area? Area will come out to be how much? A equal to 50 into 10 to the power minus 3 upon 3, 5 are 15, 1, 3 are 24 or 125 to 26 decimal here. ये मीटर स्क्वायर, how many centimeter square? 500 upon 26.55 centimeter square. It nearly come out to be nearly 19 centimeter square. तो thickness actually वो जो हमने we have learned in Gauss theorem के two plates, तो distance the 19 centimeter, say 20 centimeter, square root of 6.6, nearly the length breadth, 6 centimeter, but with respect to centimeter 1 millimeter, it is 1 millimeter sense. That 6 centimeter comes infinite. So this was one question here, and simple question but important, very important question. You can mark here for every examination point of view. This is important question here. Now there is another question here of NCRT. This question was from NCRT. There is one more question here from NCRT that says plates of parallel plate capacitor have charge plus Q and minus Q, and there exists electric field E. So what is the force between the plates? Force of attraction. You know, like charges. Let me draw it figure 1. These are the plates of parallel plate capacitor. This has plus Q charge, minus Q charge, and you know there exists electric field E. हमें तो ये कहता है कि force of attraction between the plates is equal to half Q into E, where E is this electric field between the plates. तो अगर E electric field है, Q E होना चाहिए, but why it half Q E? This force is equal to half Q E. Again, is an important question. Question is that parallel plate capacitors have charge plus Q minus Q. There exists uniform electric field, you know it. Then how much the force of attraction between the plates is half Q into E. How to prove it? हमें इसका proof क्या होगा? We know that electrostatic potential energy of charged capacitor is equal to half Q into V, where V is the potential difference, Q is the charge, V is the potential difference between the plates. ठीक है भाई? But we further also know that, what do you know? V equal to E into D. So this energy U is equal to half Q into E into D. This energy stored, let me write, this energy stored may be supposed to be equal to the work done in separating the plates a distance D against average force of attraction, that is U is equal to F into D. Equation 1, equation 2. So when you separate two charged plates, there is a naturally force of attraction there, and force multiplied distance equal to work done, which is stored in the form of potential energy. Company equation 1 and 2. Company equation 1 and 2. Comparing equation 1 and 2, we get F into D equal to half QE into D. D cancel, so F equal to half QE. Now why half factor there जबकि Q charge है E field है. This half factor can be understood because field E is there outside E equal to 0. Here 0. So average electric field लेंगे 0 plus E by 2. So half factor is there because just outside plate field is 0. So we take average electric field while calculating the work done. So this was one question, very important question. Please do it. Please, dear students who is looking this or reading this video, please subscribe me, my channel, and ask your friend to subscribe. You will be benefited, your friend will be benefited, certainly. And I am doing this work for those students who can't approach teacher, because now schools are at remote places, in villages also, but student living in village can't reach the teachers in big towns 15 or 16 kilometers away. So save time, work hard at home. Now there is, you see, one thing more. If this is a parallel plate capacitor having charge, it is having charge. So it has potential difference V plus Q charge minus Q potential V. Distance D between the plates. Now if I double the distance, then potential energy stored will increase, decrease, or remain same. And what do you think about? Question is that number one, if we double the distance between the plates, then number one, how the potential difference changes. Number two, how the energy stored changes. Or you can say how does the potential difference change, will increase, decrease, and how would the potential energy stored. This is a charge capacitor having charge plus Q minus Q at distance D, capacitance C. You can say capacitance C. And number three also, electric field between the plates. If we double the distance between the plates, okay. And what about electric field? Actually, potential difference is the amount of work done in carrying unit charge from one point to another. So when you double the distance, so what you are doing? You are doing work against attractive force. जो half Q with half force, you are doing work against that, and work done divided by charge, potential difference. तो वर्क डबल हो गया, तो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस विल गेट डबल. पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस get becomes double. Number two, because work is done. Because work is done against attractive force in increasing the distance. So, potential energy will increase, will increase and become double. What is about electric field? इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड जो है V इक्वल टू E इंटू डी है या E बराबर V बाई डी है. तो when V increase V get double, D get double, तो E dash will be 2V upon 2D, यानी कि E dash remains same. Electric field does not change. Such questions are also asked. Now, one more question that is also from NCERT. Actually, in board exam, question from chemistry will be hardly of 2 or 3 marks, and such easy question are asked. Here is a capacitor. It is charged by a battery of V volt. It is charged after charging. Number one, keeping K closed. It is V volt, it is capacitance C. A dielectric slab is inserted between the plates to fill up the space. Then how the capacitance would change. Potential difference between the plates. Charge on capacitor, and then electric field. Keeping key closed, है ना? We insert the slab here to fill up the gap. Keeping key closed. How would this all change take place? And if on opening the key, how all these things change. अगर की ओपन करते हैं और फिर स्लैब डालते हैं आफ्टर चार्जिंग, देन हाउ ऑल दीज थिंग्स चेंज। है भाई, आपको समझ में आ रहा है सवाल है? तो देखो वेरी सिंपल, इफ कीपिंग दिस की क्लोज के कैपेसिटेंस C dash will be Kc. First part, capacitance will become K times if dielectric constant is K. Since voltage same है, V dash equal to V, तो Q equal to C dash V, यानी कि Kc into V यानी KQ. Q dash become Q times. हाँ भाई, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी बिटवीन प्लेट्स क्या होती है? U बराबर Q स्क्वायर बाई 2C, Q स्क्वायर इक्वल टू K स्क्वायर, Q स्क्वायर अपॉन 2KC, तो इट बिकम्स U डैश बिकम K into U. Potential energy will increase, charge on capacitor get increased. Electric field between the plates, electric field by E बराबर है Q upon epsilon 0A, but E dash then will be Q dash QK upon epsilon 0 KA is equal to E. Electric field will not change. Dear students, this is very good question here. Please take care of this. This is given in all books. Now, if after charging we open the key, चार्ज करने के बाद हमने की को ओपन कर दिया, दिस इज ओपन, तो चार्ज Q डैश तो Q ही होगा भाई, बिकॉज नाउ सोर्स इज नॉट कनेक्टेड अक्रॉस द चार्ज कैपेसिटर, और C डैश तो KC होगा, तो वोल्टेज V डैश Q डैश अपॉन C डैश यानी कि Q अपॉन KC यानी कि बराबर V बाई K, बट V बराबर Q अपॉन C हो ना, तो पोटेंशियल विल गेट डिक्रीज एंड चार्ज सेम, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस डिक्रीजेज. Potential energy will also decrease when we insert the slab between the plates, है ना, after disconnecting the battery. Electric field will also decrease because potential has decreased. E dash will be E by D. So these are the things which you can be asked in 1 mark or 2 mark. Video has become very lengthy, so let me